Hello everyone, and welcome to the Gardening Bible. Today, we're diving into the world of onions, an essential vegetable for any garden. Here's what you'll discover in this video. The different types of onions, yellow, white, and red, along with their specific characteristics. When to plant your onions, depending on the season and your region, and how long they take to grow. Tips for protected cultivation to start planting earlier and protect your young plants. Finally, how to prepare the soil, prioritize the right nutrients, and avoid mistakes like excessive nitrogen use. Stay with us until the end to learn everything and ensure your planting success. And if you enjoy our videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Let's start by exploring the three main types of onions. Yellow onion. It's the most common variety, with a balanced flavor, ideal for cooking. Germination temperature, between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Cold resistance, down to 21 degrees Fahrenheit minus 6 degrees Celsius. Ideal growing temperature, between 59 degrees Fahrenheit and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Growth stops at below 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius and above 86 degrees Fahrenheit 30 degrees Celsius. White onion. It is sweet and mild, perfect raw in salads. Germination temperature, between 46 degrees Fahrenheit and 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees Celsius. Cold resistance, down to 24 degrees Fahrenheit minus 4 degrees Celsius. Ideal growing temperature, between 54 degrees Fahrenheit and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius. Growth stops at below 39 degrees Fahrenheit 4 degrees Celsius and above 82 degrees Fahrenheit 28 degrees Celsius. Red onion. Description: colorful, sweet, and slightly pungent, great as a garnish. Germination temperature, between 54 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. Cold resistance, down to 23 degrees Fahrenheit minus 5 degrees Celsius. Ideal growing temperature, between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Growth stops at below 43 degrees Fahrenheit 6 degrees Celsius and above 86 degrees Fahrenheit 30 degrees Celsius. The ideal planting time depends on your region, the chosen variety, and the season. Here are the basics. For yellow onions. For fall plantings, growing period of 6 to 8 months, harvest in spring or early summer. For spring planting, growing period of 4 to 5 months, harvest in summer. For white onions. For fall planting, growing period of 5 to 7 months, harvest in spring. For spring planting, growing period of 3 to 4 months, harvest in early summer. For red onions. For fall plantings, growing period of 6 to 8 months, harvest in late spring or early summer. For spring plantings, growing period of 4 to 5 months, harvest in summer. Protected cultivation. With a greenhouse or plastic tunnel, you can gain 9 degrees Fahrenheit to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, allowing planting 2 months earlier, even in winter. Prepare the soil. Onions thrive in well-drained, slightly alkaline soil, pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Loosen the soil and enrich it with well-decomposed compost or aged manure. If your soil is too clayey, you can add 55 pounds, 25 kilograms, of sand and 5 gallons, 20 liters, of compost per square yard, 1 square meter. Then, use a broad fork to loosen the soil and incorporate the sand and compost. Finally, use a rake to break up clumps and thoroughly mix everything together. Add wood ash. A thin layer, 10 ounces per SQ yard or 100 g/m superscript 2, provides potassium and phosphorus, essential for bulb development. Mix it well into the soil to avoid direct contact with young roots. Ash increases pH, so use sparingly if your soil is already alkaline. Limit nitrogen. While nitrogen boosts foliage, excess can hinder bulb formation. Use a balanced or low nitrogen fertilizer. Planting. Plant the bulbs with the tip facing upward, 0.8 inches, 2 centimeters deep, spaced 6 inches, 15 centimeters apart for yellow and red onions, 4 inches, 10 centimeters for white onions. Watering. Keep the soil slightly moist, but avoid overwatering. Reduce watering before harvest to prevent bulb rot. Maintenance. Regularly weed to reduce competition, as onions have shallow root systems. Now you know everything about planting onions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you soon on the Gardening Bible.